Morning, ma'am, and all my friends. I'm Febri, and my partner Sarah will present our CDR about enhancing English communication proficiency through educational program and social network. The main journal section will be explained by my partner Sarah.
Okay, the first is summary of main journal. The topic of main journal is the development of English speaking proficiency to increase students' communication skill in a business and technology college. And then abstract of main journal. The abstract of the main journal is the study investigates the development of English speaking proficiency in LP31 Tasikmalaya through various language activity programs both inside and outside the classroom. The findings shows that these programs have a positive impact on students' confidence, motivations, vocabulary, and pronunciations. The study also discussed the importance of creating an English-speaking environment and the role of teachers in facilitating language learning. The research findings indicate that English program at LP31 Tasikmalaya helps students increase their English vocabulary, pronunciations, and speaking proficiency. The research focused on the challenge in developing English speaking programs and the impact of these programs on student communication skill at a business and technology college. The college has various programs to enhance the English proficiency, but students have difficulties to psychological and logistic factors. The third method of main journal. Research method that was used by the research in the study was a case study method. This method was chosen because it was in scope and centered around promoting a deep and holistic or complex understanding of a particular phenomenon. A case study was used to conduct the deep investigations of the phenomenon and also to get an intensive holistic description and analysis of a single instance, phenomenon, or social unit. Okay, the next is result and conclusions. The result of the journal indicates that providing students with exposure, engagements, and support from the environment help improve and expand their English speaking skills. The conclusion drawn from the study is that English programs outside the classroom, such as English activities, broadcasting, and daily conversation cards, play a crucial role in enhancing students' English speaking proficiency. The development of English speaking proficiency to increase students' communication skill in a business and technology college. Okay, next. The strengths and weakness of main journal. The strength of main journal, the first is comprehensive explorations and then positive impact, practical insight, program effectiveness, challenge identifications. And the weakness of the main journal is the first content structure, which the other does not pay attention to the journal structure, is that there are several statements that must be well organized, but on the contrary, irregular or not neatly arranged. And the last, the content of the exposure made by the author with an explanations that is too long in some theoretical studies so that the readers find it difficult to understand.
Okay, The next is comparison journal. Summary of comparison journal. The comparison journal is building language and network in an advanced conversation club English practice in Lekki. Abstract of comparison journal. Opportunities for intermediate and advanced English learner to improve their skill are limited in some Italian region. In Lecce, Puglia, the Informal Conversation Club English Practice in Lecce, or EPIL, provides a solution. Founded nearly a decade ago, EPIL attracts Italians, non-native English speakers, and native English speakers to its weekly meeting. This article presents preliminary finding from a study of EPIL, discussing its origin, typical meeting, and reason for its success based on interview and questionnaires. Lecce, with a population of 97,000, is a growing tourist and expat destination. Though English is less commonly spoken compared to cities like Rome and Florence. EPIL helps motivate learners improve their English through interaction with native and province speakers. Meetings are held on Thursday evening at a local bar, Southward Persuasive, with attendance varying from 5 to 20 participants. EPIL emerged after another club declined due to rule change and differing province level among members. EPIL organizers ensure meetings are held in public venues and cater to intermediate and advanced speakers. The study found that participants value improving their English, making friends, and engaging in cultural exchange. EPIL success lies in building confidence for learners to use English in meaningful way, fostering social relationship and multicultural network. Next, method of comparison journal. The study of English practice in Lecce, or EPIL, employ a mixed method approach combining both qualitative and quantitative data collection technology. The first is field observation. Conducted across 4 field seasons, the researchers attended EPIL meeting to observe interaction, practice, and participant dynamic in real time. 2 is interview. In-depth, one-on-one interview with EPIL participant and organizer provides insight into personal experience, motivation, and perception of the club's effectiveness. 3 is questionnaires. Distribution to participants that collected data on demographic, duration of participant, reason for joining, and the perceived importance of the group to personal happiness and language learning. 4 is document analysis. Review of historical document and record related to EPIL formation, development, and operational practice over contextual background and of evolution of the club. The combination of the method allowed for a comparative understanding of EPIL is impact, its participant motivation, and the club role in fostering language, province, and social connection. The last is result and conclusion. Result and conclusion from the comparison journal is the result of the study on the English practice in Lecce, or EPIL. Conversation club indicate the service as a successful social learning space addressing a diverse mix of participants and contributions to improving English provides strong discussing on various topics. The conclusion drawn from the study is that EPIL effectively foster conditions for multicultural community building and expand participant social network across linguistic and cultural boundaries, contributing to its longevity and success. Based on the comparison journal, the strength is first success in creating social connection and multicultural network. Number 2, personal happiness and community building. Number 3, informal and non-intensive learning environment. And last, importance of high-level discussion and social interaction. The weakness is a lack of specific mention of any limitation, drawback, or criticism related to the English practice in LabK or EPIL, conversation club, or the study conduction on it. Therefore, there is no direct information available to cite regarding the weakness of the journal. Based on the main journal and comparison journal, we have conclusion is the text from LP3I, Tasikmalaya, and EPIL are related in terms of developing student English speaking skill. LP3I, Tasikmalaya offers programs that support the enhancement of student English speaking abilities. On the other hand, EPIL provides an informal conversation club where learners can improve their English speaking proficiency through topic discussion. But text emphasize the importance of developing English speaking skill through programs that enhance communication skill in English. That's all about our presentation. Thanks for attention. Thank you.
Thank you.